Hi everybody, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Yan, hahabol ako sa promo. The challenge, which is, what's in my bag? Here's my bag. Guys, yung bag ko, mas malaki to sa akin. Oh no! In today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and accept some challenge. And that is what's in my bag. What's in your bag? Now, it doesn't have any brand. So as you can see, this is kind of a bit big. Yes, this is actually the bag that I use going here in the US. So I intentionally bought this bag. It's because it has a huge space inside and I can put all the documents. So alam niyo na you have to have your documents handy and ready. So that's the reason why. And I don't see the need of urgency of buying any other bag for now because I'm still completing my papers. That's it. So pretty soon I will be able to have that if there is a need to buy or if there's a need to do so. Ganun lang. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this one started. So I've got started with my phones in Philippines. So I got wipes. And I have 2 notebook for any. This is a new one. This is the latest one that I need to have. So, and this is from Philippines whenever I need to write down something. And that's very handy. Definitely my passport. That's very important. And regarding to my documents from the immigration, I always have it. And then my wallet. What's in my wallet? So that's in my wallet. I still have some Philippine money right here. Yeah, this fake. Alright, I was so devastated when I realized that this is fake. Because it's 500, so malaki na to sa Pinas, diba? So okay lang sa akin kung ano lang, 100. How much more 1,000 yung na fake? But move on and learn from it. But I strongly believe that it was from the taxi driver because yan yung last transaction ko. Yes, I have cards from my bank here. So I've got this ID. This is actually for Unified Multi-Purpose ID. You can use it for your SSS, Pag-ibig, GSIS, and PhilHealth all in one. So this is I've got my Bureau of Internal Revenue back in Philippines when I started to register a land. And then I've got the Union Bank, my Union Bank in Philippines. And I've got a VIP gift card. This is from the old unit. Hindi ko ito nagamit kasi hindi ako masyadong bumibili ng gadget. And Starbucks. This is a gift card. Okay, this is a gift card from Starbucks that has, I guess, $50 in it. I don't know how much now left. It's 20, maybe $20 or 20 or 50 something. I don't know. It's been a long time na hindi namin nagamit yan. And I've got some checks. I've got some bills right there. Philippine money and dollar. And I've got this, the certificate. The certificate, guys, for Commission on Filipinos Overseas. So, yung CFO. And definitely, I always have a ball pen. And here is my pouch for like key kits, just simple. let's start from this, what do you call this? Front page. Page ka dyan. So I've got my, it's actually divided into 2 pockets. So I've got home. I have a nude lipstick, which is from the Everblina matte. I like this. Yes, I bought this one from Philippines. And then these are my stuff way back like a year ago. I usually don't buy things whenever I know that there is still something that I can use. And then I have my Revlon lip gloss, which is I barely use it. I don't like, you know, the result. Like it's looks like oily. I don't like it. And yeah, I've got this rosy lips. I don't use this one. This is so. I don't use this one for my lips though. I use this one for my eyebrows. I've got this foundation from Apple. This is only from Philippines product. Only from Philippines. So yan, color medyo may pagka-pink siya. So ginagamit ko siya mostly pang blush on. Yan. Yan, and then my BYS eyebrow, because kilay is life, so I need to have this. Like, I don't know. It's just like I can go out without lipstick or any other things except the kilay, especially that my eyebrows are messy. And the last thing that I have here, yeah, I've got my rosary. This is from Semala, if you know that area. This is from Semala, Cebu. So, this cute rosary. So pretty much that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. So by the way, this is your Chiquita, and this is my chica for today. Thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.